Add this drink to your morning routine and watch the fat melt. Losing weight has always been a challenging task. Plus, the thought alone of shedding the stubborn excess fat is a nightmare already. If you're looking for an easy way of burning fat without having to exercise, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be introducing you to 2 beverage recipes that you can seamlessly add to your morning routine to promote fat burning. You can pick one among these 2 drinks or alternate them, whatever suits your fancy. Don't worry, the ingredients are very minimal and simple, say pineapple and lime juices. So keep watching to know how you can prepare these drinks and how they help with fat loss. Pineapple juice with lime and cinnamon. This tropical, vibrant, and sweet fruit may be complicated to peel, but everyone can attest to how addictive its juice and flesh are. Pineapples are a powerhouse of health benefits. One of these is how it helps boost metabolism, thus eventually resulting in weight loss. Bromelain, a compound found in pineapple, helps in digestion and reduces inflammation. Its juice can also ease symptoms of colitis, an inflammatory bowel condition characterized by dehydration and bloating. For this drink, we've also included Ceylon cinnamon to suppress appetite, all the while lowering blood glucose. Lastly, there is lime, a fruit rich in antioxidants to boost immunity and regulate body weight and satiety. How to prepare. Number 1. Get 1 1/2 cup of pineapple and cut them into smaller pieces. Blend them well together using a blender. Number 2. Next, pour the pineapple juice into a glass, then add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 2½ tablespoons of lime juice. You can also put black salt if you want. Number 3. Stir well and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Green tea with mint. Green tea contains caffeine, which acts as a stimulant. This stimulant can aid in fat burning and improving exercise performance according to several studies. Furthermore, green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins that aid in weight loss. As for mint, it plays its role by having the much-famed digestive properties. Mint also works to stimulate digestive enzymes, facilitating better nutrient absorption from food. In turn, it promotes better metabolism, thus helping in weight loss. How to prepare. Number 1. Put 1 cup of water and mint leaves in a deep-bottomed pan until it boils. Number 2. Allow it to boil for an additional 5 minutes. Number 3. Next, add green tea leaves and leave it for 5 minutes. Number 4. Strain the concoction and pour the boiled water into a mug. Number 5. Stir well before drinking. Of course, diet exercise is the best duo in targeting those unwanted fats. That said, drinking fat-melting drinks accompanied by healthy foods and workout can speed up your weight loss goals. Those morning drinks won't just help reduce fat, but will also improve your body's digestion and metabolism. Plus, they're super easy to prepare. Between those 2 drinks, which one is closer to your taste? Have you considered alternating them perhaps? Or maybe create your own morning beverage out of those ingredients mentioned? Whatever it is, we hope you can share it with us. Just leave a comment below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.